Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to get items on Temu in 2025. If you're excited about scoring incredible deals on everything from gadgets to fashion, you're in the right place. Temu has evolved into a powerhouse shopping app, packed with user-friendly features and even more exclusive offers by 2025. Whether you're a first-timer or just brushing up, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to download the Temu app. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and search for Temu. It's free, and the 2025 version is super sleek with enhanced search tools. Once it's installed, open the app and create an account. Just enter your email, phone number, or link it to your social media for a quick setup. Don't forget to verify your account to unlock special perks like welcome discounts. Now, it's time to browse. Temu's interface is intuitive, with categories like electronics, home goods, and beauty. Use the search bar to find exactly what you want, maybe that viral gadget everyone's talking about. As you explore, check out product reviews and ratings from other users to make smart choices. Found something you like? Hit the Add to Cart button. You can add multiple items and even compare prices right there. When you're ready to check out, review your cart for any deals or promo codes. 2025 brings more personalized offers based on your shopping history. Proceed to payment, where Temu supports secure options like credit cards, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency in some regions. Double-check your shipping address to ensure fast delivery. After confirming your order, you'll get a tracking number to monitor your package's journey. A few pro tips. Always look for flash sales, set up notifications for your favorite items, and shop sustainably by checking eco-friendly labels. By 2025, Temu's AI recommendations make shopping even easier and more fun. There you have it. That's how you get items on Temu. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and shopping tips, and let me know in the comments what you plan to buy first. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.